Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a Hungarian horntail from the Harry Potter series. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our Hungarian horntail, we're going to begin right about here on our paper. I'm going to start by making a little line. It's going to curve up and then it's going to come down like this. Next, we're going to make a little line that just goes in and then up like this for the eye. And I'm going to add a couple little curved lines underneath it. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up and it's going to come back into like a spike form. I'm going to add another one up here too. Then I'm going to add a couple more little spikes right here. Next, I'm going to take this line, I'm going to curve it down. And then I'm going to bring it back. It almost looks like a beak shape. Then what you want to do is draw a line that's going to go up and then down like this. And a little line that's going to go down and it's going to come up here. Now the teeth of this are kind of curved back, so I'm going to add some sharp teeth in here, the little line going down. And then some more sharp teeth over here. I'll add a little line that curves around, and then a line that's going to go down, and that's going to come up here. Now right along here, we're going to add a few more kind of long spikes. I'm also going to put another one or two of them up here by the head. And then right here we're going to add a long skinny line for the nose. Now starting here, we're going to add a couple little curved lines for where the neck is going to be. And then a little line that goes down. I'm going to start here by drawing a line that's going to go down and it's going to come up. And then I'm going to make another little wiggly line right here. Now starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then it's going to come back here. Then I'll draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to add a little hook shape for one of the feet. Another one here for another claw. And then one more right here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and then back. Next we're going to make a line that's going to curve here, and then one that's going to go up and right around there. Now starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down. I'm going to jump over the foot, and I'm going to kind of hook the tail up here, just so we can fit the whole thing in here. Then I'm going to start right here and we're going to draw a little line that's just going to curve around and it's going to come back up here. Now along the back of our Hungarian horntail, we're going to want to add some long spikes. I'm going to add a few spikes here and I'm just going to continue adding them. They're going to just kind of follow a little bit of a curve for the neck. When I get to about here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up. And then it's going to come up here at an angle. I'm going to add a line that's going to curve down and then up. I want to make a line that's going to go up and then it's going to curve down a little bit into a point. And then it's going to slowly come back up here for part of the wing. I'm going to add another one that does the same thing. One more here. And we'll come and do one more right here. Then we're going to make a line that goes down and it's going to come back around here. Next we're going to add a line that's going to go down to here And we're just going to connect each one of these points with this curved line. And I'll fill it up with a few more spikes over here. Now starting here, I want to add the other arm. So this time the arm is going to go up and it's going to curve around here and then it's going to come down in a spike. Then I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to go down and then bring it to here. Then we're going to come out here. It's going to go out. It's going to come down, come to a point, and then we're going to bring it back up here. I'll add another one down here. We'll come up, and then we'll only really see this one, and then we'll come back up to here, and then I'll add some little curved lines there. And then I'm going to take this line here, I'm going to bring this down to here, and then we'll add another little line right there. Now starting here, I'm just going to add some more little spikes going along the back here. And I'm also going to bring these down the tail as well. So we're just going to add these little kind of shark fin shapes. They're going to go all the way along the back of the tail here. Now, once we get to the end here, we want to add the tail. So I'm going to add a little line. It's going to go up and it's going to come down. I'm going to add another one here. It's going to go up and then kind of curve over. We'll add another one here, and I'm going to put one more right here that'll connect. Then I'm going to add some little curved lines around here. I'm also going to add another spike or two back here just to make it look like it's a little more 3D. Now, here's our basic drawing of our Hungarian horntail. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details onto here. Now, there's lots of different details we can add. I'm going to start by adding some of these long, kind of curved, wrinkly lines right around the eye. And I'm going to bring this line down here. I'm going to add some quick little curved lines along here and along the nose too. A little line over here. I'm going to add some curved lines around the mouth. And I'm going to add a few more spikes in some random spots here, and then a little broken line that's going to go down here. I'm also going to add another little line that's going to go down, it's going to come back, and maybe a claw or two for the other leg. I'm going to add some quick little curved lines along here for the feet, or the legs, and then a couple little curved lines onto the toes. And I'm going to add just some little broken lines right along here. And I'm going to add some curved lines on here. We'll add a few little lines that just kind of come around here. And we're just going to add a couple along here too. Just some little detail lines and dots and everything. Some little broken lines. I'm going to add a couple little quick lines along the edges of some of the wings here. And I'm also going to put just a few holes in here because this one's, tell it's been around a lot, maybe has a few little cuts and things in its wings. I'm also going to add a few little spikes going right along the edge here, and then a long little line down here. I'm going to add some quick little curved lines here for a little bit of texture underneath our Hungarian horntail. And a couple little extra lines here, and some along here. And there you go. Here is your drawing of a Hungarian horntail. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.